it's Evelina. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be showing you how I do my own at-home eyelash extensions. Just a little outfit of the day for you. My pullover is from Kohl's. My shorts are from Forever 21 and they have this really cute mesh lining detailing on them. And my slippers are also from Kohl's. And look at this, my sweater literally matches my blanket. So cute. Lashes I'm using today are just the Kiss brand from Walmart, and you can use any lashes that you prefer. So first things first, you're just going to want to make sure that your eyelashes are clean and brush them out. So for this part, you're just going to need some tweezers and scissors, and you're going to take your false lashes and just cut them into smaller pieces like I'm doing here. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried. The glue I'm using today is from Ardell, and I purchased it on Amazon, and I love how easy it is to work with. Take the piece of the lash and we're going to dip a little bit of it into the glue, and we're going to gently place it on top of our natural lashes, getting as close as possible to the lash line without gluing it onto our eyelid. And we're just going to go ahead and repeat the same steps for the rest of our lashes. I am so sorry for the camera quality. It turned out a bit more blurrier and overexposed than I wanted it to, so just bear with me. Because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Alright you guys, this is the end result of the lashes, and I think they look so good. It was literally that easy to do, and it saves so much time when you do your own makeup every day, and it just looks amazing. No need to apply false lashes and deal with sticky glue. These are just there. You wake up in the morning and they're there, and they look so good. So yeah, if you guys try it out, let me know what you guys think. This is my cat Bella. She's so cute. Hi, baby.